Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
Each year at Ag PhD, we host a series of winter workshops. We put these on free each year to say thank you to you for watching Ag PhD each year. And during these workshops, we talk about a number of different agronomic topics. Well, we've got one coming up this winter that we'd love to have you attend. It's called the Ag PhD Naturals Workshop, and it's on Wednesday, February 7th.
Everybody wants to hear about corn and soybeans and wheat and fertility and these kinds of topics, but the one that is getting a lot of interest lately has been the naturals. There are so many products out there and so many companies involved. We've just had a lot of farmers from all over asking, hey, could you bring some clarity to this? Could you lay out what these products are and what they're actually doing?
Yep, there is a lot of confusion in the marketplace because it seems like today every ag retailer's got about 5 or 10 different products where they say, oh, try this biological thing. It's great. It works everywhere. It always is going to give you yield. And we're going, whoa, let's hang on a second here. There are a wide variety of products, and we want to talk through where do these things fit? Where do they not fit? When are they most likely to work? When are they most likely to pay? And when should you probably just step back and say, you know what, I'm going to pass on that for this particular situation?
Here's the other thing, compatibility with the rest of your program. You've got your program down. You probably know, hey, here's the timings I like to put out fertilizer or crop protection products. But where can these naturals fit with that, and which types of programs? Maybe it's fungicide that you say, oh, can't put a beneficial fungus out at the same time as a fungicide, or can I? What's the testing on that and so forth? We're going to talk about all those things during the naturals workshop.
So just a few other things that we will get to that day. Nitrogen replacement products. That's something very popular in the marketplace right now. We want to show you what our results have been and just hopefully put some clarity to that. We're going to talk about plant growth hormones, amino acids, beneficial microbes that can actually help your plant internally better survive stress, and then other beneficial microbes that maybe will make soil nutrients more available. There are a lot of different things that we want to get into that day and talk through all the different segments of that biological, or as we call it, naturals market.
Well, it's going to be an exciting day. We'd love to have you join us for the Ag PhD Naturals Workshop. You can find all the details at agphd.com.
Well, one other thing you can find at agphd.com is more information on weeds like our Weed of the Week. Can you identify this week's weed?